Meet the Belgian Malinois, the fury missile of the canine world. A high-octane masterpiece built for speed, power, and unparalleled intensity. Look into those eyes, and you'll see a level of focus that puts elite athletes to shame. This isn't just a dog, it's a weapon. From fast roping out of helicopters with elite units to patrolling the White House, the Malinois is the ultimate tactical partner. If a German Shepherd is a sleek luxury sedan, the Belgian Malinois is a Formula One car, stripped down, high performance, and incredibly demanding. But before they were tactical legends, they were the shepherds of Malines in 19th century Belgium, bred purely for function over form. In World War I, they proved their mettle as brave messengers and ambulance dogs, navigating the treacherous battlefields of Europe. Today, they are the preferred choice for modern military units worldwide due to their incredible power-to-weight ratio and extreme agility. They are truly airborne, performing high-altitude parachuting and tandem-rappelling exercises that would terrify even the most seasoned humans. With a legendary full hard grip, they are famous for their role in high-stakes missions, like the operation targeting Osama bin Laden. Often nicknamed the Malligator, these dogs have an explosive prey drive. To them, movement is a signal to act. As puppies, they are mouthy and relentless. Their intelligence is a double-edged sword. They can detect explosives or dismantle your home. Without a job, a Malinois will create its own. Boredom often leads to them literally chewing through crates or drywall in frustration. Is it a pet? While you're watching Netflix, a Malinois is likely staring at you, waiting for its next mission or command. Owning one requires intense mental and physical commitment. This isn't a hobby, it's a lifestyle of constant training and engagement. They are highly sensitive mirrors. They reflect your stress or calm, requiring extreme socialization to prevent their protective nature from turning into aggression. Physically, they are hardy, but not invincible. Responsible owners must screen for hip and elbow dysplasia, along with progressive retinal atrophy, a crucial warning for owners. Malinois are notoriously sensitive to anesthesia. They also risk pallus, a chronic eye condition requiring lifelong care. Earning the stripes of a Malinois owner means giving 100% effort every day. In return, you get 200% loyalty and performance. Admire them for the masterpieces they are, but unless you're ready for an off-switch-less lifestyle, enjoy them from a distance.